Oh.
Hey guys, Yes here. Welcome back to my channel.
What up, y'all? It's El Mero Mike. You know me as El Mero Oro, and El Mero Mero.
So the day of today, as you guys can tell, we are doing ASMR. It's our very first ASMR video ever. So yeah.
We're pretty excited, and just being in front of this mic and just talking is so exciting to me. I don't know what to do.
You look so excited. Oh my god. Happy Mukbang Monday, by the way. I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna be like, oh my god, Tostilocos again. But you guys, I feel like this is a perfect snack for ASMR. And also, so many of you guys asked in my last video with Rocks, what's a Tostiloco, what's in it? So we actually also taught you guys how to make it. Okay, so we're really coming through. So those of you who don't know what they are or have never had them, now you guys can make them, and then you can.
Time out.
Alright guys, so I guess we'll start eating.
Explain what's in the Tostilocos, my love, please.
Alright, so you should definitely watch our video of how to make them, but I'm just gonna give you guys a little rundown of what's in the Tostilocos. It is Tostito chips, there's mango and jicama and cucumber, because you guys already know that it's 2019 and we are trying to be so healthy on this channel, obviously.
And so fit.
So fit 2019 health goals. You guys know that I'm a fitness guru, so I had to incorporate some obviously vegetables and fruit and salad into our Tostilocos. And then there's also candy, but only because obviously you need to have a balance. And then we have chamoy and Valentin and another, wait, is peanuts are not vegetables, but what are they? Nuts. They're good fats. They're good fats though. And what else does it have?
We have cueritos.
Oh, and then pig's
Cucumber.
pork skin.
Mango.
Because obviously a balance. Yeah, I already talked about the vegetables.
And don't forget, she's so sarcastic. Either way.
If you guys are new to my channel, this is a health channel. Welcome.
Okay, well, let's get started and let's get a crunch going.
I also have a diablito. Yum.
Okay, you ready? You start with the crunch. Bring it closer. That was good.
Professional ASMR person.
You almost messed up my bite.
Sorry.
Don't do that again. Todavía estás con eso. It was soggy. It was soggy.
I'm a dumbass. I mixed mine all the way down and now I can't find
This is so good. That was nasty. We're so dumb. Fire. So your stomach. We should put it near your stomach. They are so good. You should have brought that one closer. You should have brought that grunge closer. Thumbnail time. Let's make out in front of it. There's hella food in her mouth.
Ela cuerito breath.
Cuerito breath.
Wow, this bite right here is so healthy. It's literally all fruit and a pig skin.
Get closer. They're calling their mama. Pass me the Dr. Pepper. I shake it everywhere. Oh, right here. That was nothing. Oh, yeah. Oh. Marana.
wish that you guys could taste this because it's honestly so fire.
Estamos entrados. Bien entrados. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know it's weird, but we appreciate you guys tuning in and hanging out and watching the weird shit we do. Let's give the last big crunches. You wanna keep on going?
I want to keep eating. Oh my god, that chip was so good right now. Wow. My teeth. Damn, and then him. Hella professional ASMR. Are you done?
My stomach's starting to hurt.
I just had deja vu. My teeth are gonna hurt after this. And then everybody. My pet peeve is when people slurp and then me. Sorry.
I'm getting the hang of it. That's a piece of low.
Se te antojó. The mic has hella juice on it. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope we did this ASMR video right. Like I said before, it's our, can you not? Like I said before, it was our very first ASMR video, so I hope that we did okay. We love you guys so We love you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you guys enjoyed this. Also, don't miss our video on how to make Tostilocos. Like I said before, a lot of you guys were wondering how to make them and what's in them and stuff. So we got your guys' back. Do you have anything to say?
I want to kind of beatbox.
I cannot with him. I love you guys so much.